Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today, this video, we will be trying new stuff that I've never tried before. I had a late night run to Walmart and this is what happens. You visit the makeup aisle and you end up having makeup that you shouldn't have had bought, but you bought anyway, and it is what it is. And this video is what came out of it. So yay. So yeah, if you're interested in watching and see what I think of these new products and how to achieve this look here, just keep watching.
Really? Who came up with this? Who came up with this? Really?
I don't know if it's new. It's by Hard Candy and it's called Radiant Mix and Drop. So you can mix it in to your foundation or moisturizer. So it says to shake well.
It really settles. So it's like, when it says shake well, they mean shake the hell out of it.
Alright, so I've used this before and I'm gonna use it today, the Wet n Wild foundation, Photo Focus foundation. I'm gonna use that today, and this is in the color medium dark. And I'm just gonna put it on my hand so that I can blend in some drops and see how that works. It just falls. Jesus. All right, and I'm just blending it in with the beauty blender as so. And I'm just gonna pat it into my face and see what this looks like. So it is it made it very glowy and I feel very shiny right now. So I don't know yet how I feel about it. I got this in my BoxyCharm box. I always have an issue saying that. And it's by Pure Cosmetics and it is Exfo Lips, Plumping Lip Exfoliator. Did I say I haven't used it? Because I have. And it was pretty cool, but I feel like it runs like, you know, like it just deteriorates into nothing. Let me get the top out because it fell. And I'm just gonna leave it on like this for a little bit so that it works. Now onto blush. I'm gonna be using the blush. The only thing that came, I was not very happy. Let me just say I was not very happy with this month's BoxyCharm because this was very disappointing. It was an empty palette that I'm never gonna fill because I don't do this. So this is the only thing that's gonna be in here. But I'm gonna use this blush, it's really nice. I don't even know the name of it anymore. But it's by Ofra as well. And that's what I'm gonna use as my blush. And I'm using a Real Techniques brush. It is their blush brush, I'm assuming. That's what this is called, yeah. Blush brush. I am so bad at remembering names of anything. If it's a lipstick that I use on a daily, I still don't know what it's called. So it's that bad. It's that bad. So brushes, to remember a brush's name or number, I don't freaking know. I have to look at it every freaking time. Are you with me? Because, or am I the only one? She's so beautiful. This is like my favorite palette ever. how gorgeous she is. I mean, man, she's freaking amazing. Best palette ABH has come out with, but also the only palette I have by ABH. So that's a very biased statement. But by reviews, it is the best palette ever. So I'm going by that. Alright, so I'm gonna use a fluffy blending brush. So I'm using this one right here for the transition. Alright, so I'm gonna go in with the I don't even know if I'm saying this right, but Venetian red, this one right here. And I'm just gonna deepen my transition. And I'm gonna actually use the brush that came with Anastasia's, with the palette, because it's pretty fucking good. I'm using, by the way, I'm using Vermeer, this one right here on my brow bone. Alright, so I'm gonna try this Cover FX. I don't even know what it is. Let me open it. Shimmer Veil. And it looks like that. I don't know if this is focusing or whatever, but it looks like this, and it's such a pretty pink, iridescent pink. And it's in the color Amethyst. I love that name, Amethyst. Look how gorgeous this is. You see that? You see that? It's so pretty. Wish me luck. Look how pretty that is. Let me blend it out before it dries. Look how pretty that is. Let me put some more. Do you guys see this? It just comes off. What the hell? So don't fret. If you mess up, you can just brush it off and start all over again. All right, this time I'm gonna put it on my hand and see how that works. And then put it on with a brush. Since it came off, I can try another technique, right? It's freaking weird. There we go. I liked it better like that. Now I'm gonna deepen in the outer corners. So I'm just gonna concentrate it and dab it on the outer corner. Like so. Just small pats and then blend it in just a little bit, but don't go all the way in. Don't go all the way in. To help blend that a little bit so it's not so harsh at the end, you're just gonna take the same brush that you used for the lighter color and you're just gonna blend upwards, but don't touch that glitter, girl. Don't want to take it off. Voila, girl. I'm using this vintage pencil liner in the color Jet Black. And I also got this in this month's box.
So this video just became like a BoxyCharm / first impressions video.
So I don't know how creamy this is, but it's creamy. It's creamy. Yep, you see that? Yeah. Did you see how easy that came on? Creamy. All right, so we're just gonna line our waterline on both. So I like using these two. I like using the NYX for the wing side of things. And I like using the Scone. And it is the tattooed, if you can see it there, tattooed liquid or whatever, waterproof eyeliner. But it comes off with water. Anyway, so I'm just gonna go in with this to line the eyelid part, and then to do the actual wing, I like to go in with the NYX liner. All right, so we got the wings on, okay? L'Oreal came out with one that has black primer, and that's all. 20 times fibers, extreme length. Okie dokie. So I'm putting on the primer now. The mascara wand is curved, and you can see the little fibers. I don't know if you can, but I can. I put this on my upper lashes, and honestly, I'm not wowed by it. It's not going to replace my Tarte mascara. Oh, and I'm gonna try these new lashes. I just ordered them off of Amazon. Some new ones, and they look like this, and they are so pretty. So I've been dying to try this. Try this. I've been dying to try this. Look how fluttery they look. They are just so, oh, just so pretty. Just so pretty. With the Venetian red, and I'm just gonna line my lower lash line with that. And now I'm gonna go in with the super light pink to smoke it out. And now I think I'm gonna use some of this Cover FX to do the inner corner a bit. Right there, like that. See? And now we're gonna get the same color that we used for the brow bone. We're gonna put that in our inner corners, the Vermeer color from the palette. Now we're gonna highlight. Highlight! And I'm gonna use my favorite highlighting brush, and it's by Real Techniques, and it's called Setting Brush, but you know what? It's a highlighting brush to me. All right, so another thing that I have not used, and I came across it yesterday, was this. It's by Hard Candy, and it looks like this. It says whatever, whatever. And it is called Bold Hold Lip Liqueur. And I picked up the color Temptress. Oh, and it has a mirror. Sweet. Look how cute. So it comes in here. Oh, it's super thin. Look at it. And you see this little like dripping design. It's really cute. All right, and let's see pigment wise. Ooh! Look at that. Holy schmick. That's a lot of pigment. Mm-hmm. So this is the lip color. Super shiny, super dark, very pigmented. For a gloss is very pigmented. The only thing is I wish the wand was a little bit thicker because it was very small, so when you try to align it would like wipe off the lipstick because it was so tapered. I will link everything that I used. I will lick it. I will link it down in the description box. So if you are interested in any of these products, you can just go check it out and see how much it costs, because I honestly can't remember how much any of this cost. So I will do that for you. As always, FYI, I always put all of my products listed down in the description box for you. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, I will see you guys soon. Bye! This is why I don't wear lip gloss. Bye! It's so clean I didn't recognize it.
Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is ELENA INOSTROZA. Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. No. Hi everyone and welcome back. Let me sit up straight. Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, why am I twirling so much? Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is ELENA INOSTROZA, and thank you. Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Oh, I already said that. Okay.
Eric, you need to stop. Eric, you need to stop.
Did y'all look at my armpits? Because when I'm in front of Eric, and if I go like this, or if I just do something, his eyes immediately go to my armpit. It's so weird. I'm like, why are you looking at my armpit? Is that an armpit fetish that I don't know about? He doesn't, but do you ever find yourself looking at armpits?